$20,000. That's what hung over my head like a dark cloud for years. It wasn't just a number, it was the weight of missed opportunities, sleepless nights, and constant anxiety. It felt insurmountable, a mountain I'd never climb. That feeling, that's a money block. For me, it stemmed from a combination of poor financial choices in college and a lack of understanding about personal finance. It was a crippling feeling, a constant reminder of my mistakes. Ignoring it only made it worse. That's the reality of many money blocks. They keep you stuck, preventing you from moving forward. This wasn't just about money, it was about reclaiming control over my life. This marked the beginning of my journey to financial freedom. The first step was recognizing the problem, accepting the reality of my situation, and committing to a path to resolution. I was no longer a victim of my circumstances. I was a participant in building my financial future. This highlighted the power of mindful spending and the opportunities for savings hidden in everyday expenses. This educational journey was as crucial as any financial decision I made, equipping me with the knowledge and understanding necessary to make informed choices. The information was out there, I just needed to access and apply it. It was a reminder that I wasn't alone in my struggles. Sharing my journey and hearing others' success stories was incredibly encouraging. My primary need was financial stability. Paying off the debt wasn't just about clearing a number. It was about eliminating the constant stress and anxiety it caused. It was about securing my future and gaining the peace of mind that only financial security can provide. This need overshadowed all my wants, creating a solid foundation for my approach. While I enjoyed things like going out to eat and buying new clothes, these were wants, not necessities. Identifying the difference was critical. This became the basis of my new budgeting system. It was about making choices based on true needs, not impulse purchases. It was about learning to appreciate the value of every dollar and choosing how to spend it wisely. Recognizing my needs and cutting out the wants was a major key to successfully paying off my debt. The clarity this brought was invaluable. This wasn't about rigid restriction. It was about gaining awareness and control over my finances. Understanding where my money was going was the crucial first step. This method is powerful for momentum. I contacted my creditors and explained my situation, requesting a reduced rate. It worked surprisingly well, saving me hundreds of dollars in interest payments. It took some courage, but was a smart financial strategy that yielded significant results. This structured approach allowed me to tackle the debt strategically and effectively, but I consciously chose to replace those feelings with determination. I focused on my progress, celebrating small wins along the way. This positive self-talk was a game changer. I started to believe in my ability to succeed. This positive visualization strengthened my resolve. The yokai mindset helped me overcome setbacks, stay motivated, and ultimately achieve my goal. It's a mental toughness that everyone can cultivate. The sense of accomplishment was exhilarating, a potent motivator for tackling the larger debts. This early win proved the effectiveness of my strategy. Each payment reduced the overwhelming feeling of debt, bringing increased financial security and peace of mind. This wasn't about reverting to old habits. It was about consciously managing my finances and avoiding debt in the future. Maintaining financial awareness was key. I continued educating myself on personal finance topics, constantly seeking ways to improve my financial literacy. Learning and adapting are ongoing processes that contribute to long-term financial health. This commitment to continuous learning is crucial. Maintaining momentum post-debt freedom requires ongoing commitment and vigilance. The habits and strategies developed during debt repayment are crucial for long-term financial success and preventing future debt accumulation. It's a lifestyle change. Want to learn more? But you have the power to change your financial life. Download my free guide linked in the description for a step-by-step plan to take control of your finances. Don't delay, your freedom awaits. Let's conquer this together.